Namaskar, good morning and heartiest welcome to SubMom garden. Bougainvillea is the most trending flowering plant in India. I have grown many bougainvilleas and I think the craze will continue for next few years. So, if you want to grow bougainvillea at home, then you need some modern variety plants, not old varieties plants, some modern variety like this one. You can look at its flowering, the black color. This is Brezza Magenta. This variety is Brezza Magenta. Today I am going to discuss everything about Brezza Magenta. I shall give you a complete review so that you can decide whether you can purchase it or not, and if purchase, then how to care it. Brezza variety is a native of South America like Brazil, Argentina, Peru. These are its native countries. This plant is almost 7 months old. I purchased it in a small PP 2-inch grow bag, a small plant. Then I repot it into a 6-inch pot as I usually do. When I purchase a new plant, I directly repot it into a 6-inch earthen pot. After 4 months, I repotted it into this plastic container. It is a 10-inch plastic container. I do not use plastic container that much. It is my first plastic container. It is an experiment. Just I wanted to know how it performs in a plastic container. Usually I use earthen containers. Now you can see this plant is a grafted one. This is the grafting portion. It is a little bit sensitive. So my recommendation is, if you collect Brezza Magenta, then go for a grafted one. Grafted variety performs very well, no problem at all, because the rootstock is from a Chitra variety. So no chance of getting infected or any type of fungal infection in root. Grafted plant will grow very quickly, no problem with that. Now when you bring a new plant at home, then use this type of sticks, because if you want to give it a proper structure, a proper shape, then you need this support, because bougainvillea is creeper in nature. So if you allow it to grow in sideways, then you don't get that much height. So if you want an umbrella shape, then you have to make it a support with these sticks. For the first 1 or 2 years, you have to keep these sticks to support and to give it a proper structure. Now let's come to about its fertilizer. What I use is potting mix. In potting mix, I used mixed fertilizers. Mixed fertilizer contains bone meal, horn meal, some vermicompost and leather meal or blood meal. This is mixed fertilizer. Mixed fertilizer contains all essential nutrients for bougainvillea plants. And beside this, I applied liquid mustard cake fertilizer. You have to soak mustard cake in water for 3 or 4 days, then dilute them and apply it to plant directly. When to apply mustard cake fertilizer? When we make a cut or soft prune or hard prune, then after every pruning we need mustard cake fertilizer for branches to grow. The more branches we have, the more flower we get. We have to apply mustard cake fertilizer in regular interval, preferably once in a week, not in flowering season, in growing season. And in flowering season, we have to apply flowering fertilizer. What is flowering fertilizer? It is steamed bone dust. Steamed bone dust contains a high amount of phosphorus, and a branch or a plant needs high phosphorus to produce more buds and bracts. So when we apply steam bone dust, it is high in phosphorus. The plant absorbs it quickly and produce more buds and flowers. And you can see the result. This is an exceptional color. There are not too much magenta varieties in Bougainvillea. So Brezza Magenta is an exceptional in its color. You can collect it, you can grow it very easily. And you just look, there are more branches to bloom. Almost every branches have buds and soon it will bloom them. So Brezza variety is a bushy in nature. It is very easy to give it a compact shape, and it is very easy to grow at home. No doubt about that. You can grow easily. So collect Brezza Magenta and directly pot it into a 6-inch container and give some support with these sticks, and you can grow it very easily. As this plant is 7 months old, it is yet to complete a full season at my home. So I can give you a complete review after 1 year. What is going to happen in next May or June? Does it flower in May or June, or just remains dormant? Nevertheless, since October, I get the third flash. This is the third bloom since October. In January, it became bright red. But when temperature rises, the color becomes magenta. In winter, we get bright red, and when summer or spring comes, we get a magenta color like this. So this is an exceptional color changing Bougainvillea, Brezza Magenta, very hardy plant. You can always go for it and make your home beautiful with this flowering plant. I give you detailed review after 2 or 3 months what is going to happen in summer season. I have many bougainvilleas at my home. I shall continue this type of support so that you can collect bougainvillea, grow them, and if you have any question regarding this, have any queries regarding Brezza Magenta or any varieties, then feel free to ask anything. I shall definitely answer you. If you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe SubMom Garden, and thanks a lot for watching.